Let's talk about understanding the standard versus the itemized deduction in H&R Block. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about standard versus itemized deductions in H&R Block. So standard deduction is basically a fixed dollar amount that reduces your taxable income. It is a benefit available to the taxpayers who do not itemize their deductions. The standard deduction amount can vary depending on the filing status, like single, married, filing jointly, head of the household, etc., and is adjusted annually for the inflation. Taxpayers can choose to take the standard deduction if it results in the greater reduction in their taxable income compared to the itemized deductions. Talking about the itemized deductions are specific expenses that you can deduct from your taxable income, which may include medical expenses, state and local taxes, mortgage interest, charitable contributions, casualty and theft losses, job expenses, and miscellaneous deductions. Choosing between the standard and itemized deductions when using a tax software like H&R Block, the program typically guides you through the process of determining whether to take the standard deduction or to itemize. How the decision is made is based on data input, entering your financial information, including income and potential deductions, into the software. The software calculates both your standard deduction and potential itemized deductions based on your information you provide. The software also compares the total amount of itemized deductions with the standard deduction. It will typically choose the option standard or itemized that results in the lower taxable income for you. And you can review the detailed breakdown of your deductions and make adjustments if necessary. Finally, it is based on your preferences and financial situation. You can choose whether to take the standard deduction or to itemize. It is very important to stay updated with the latest tax laws and the changes made by H&R Block for the tax year 2024. For the most accurate and personalized guidance, consider consulting with a tax professional or using the resources provided by H&R Block tax software. This was all about understanding the standard versus the itemized deductions in H&R Block. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.